Uniquely Creative here. Today we're opening day number 12.
Beautiful. What have you got?
Wait, this feels like something really squishy or big and fat. I actually can't guess.
Who else has been squishing up their little days to try to work out what's included? Do you feel it and say, I wonder what's in tomorrow's?
It's a giant piece of book.
It's a book. Oh, that's really cool. So that is a little mini magazine with lots of ideas on how to use that paper collection that you've got in scrapbooking and card making. And look, on the back, there's a little sneak of what's coming in summer. I do like that. Day number 12 is an inspiration book to get you crafting and making beautiful things with this fantastic kit. Thanks guys for watching. We'll be back tomorrow to see what is in day number 13. And day number 13 is a really big envelope. So we're looking forward to opening that. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.